Hey folks, and welcome back. So today we're going to look at very simply pulling together what's been done in the last 8 episodes and to drive forward now with what you need. It's just 3 simple steps. We've covered the foundations, as I call them, in the earlier videos, and in the preceding video we looked at what to promote. So you're now got the final third step, and that's driving traffic to your promotion. Now, a lot of people struggle with this. There's organic, there's ads. I'm going to be covering both of those in the next videos to this. But essentially, those 3 steps are your foundations and what you're promoting. That's the second one, how to select it. We spoke about that in previous videos. And now traffic, because you will not get paid unless you're driving traffic to your offer. There's 2 components to getting paid: traffic and an offer, and a lot in between. I know it's difficult to cover a lot of this in a short amount of time in these videos, but that's the crux of it. And being able to take a person from where they're currently suffering to a solution to that suffering is where you're going to get paid. Now, at a very simplistic level, it's easy. Now, the implementation of it is not so easy. It's going to take lots and lots of practice. Okay, now you can keep driving through all the YouTube videos and learning, but the best way to actually do it is to implement, because you'll fail, you'll learn, you'll fail, you'll learn, and that's how you build your knowledge and you can become successful. If you want a shortcut, I don't recommend it. There is a program that takes, again, 3 easy steps. It sets you up with an autoresponder, it sets you up with basic business, and it even gives you the traffic. It's a very low cost entry program, and it will cut out a lot of the noise if you just think that you want to go from A to B. It won't ever be as simple as that, let me tell you in advance. But if you're looking for a bit of a shortcut, this is a very simple program. It's low cost and it may get you to your destination a little bit quicker, but be cautious. Don't get overexcited. Making money online does not happen overnight. You need to put in the work, you need to study, you need to implement. Nobody anywhere in the world can perform a job without fundamental knowledge. It's just not possible. Bear that in mind. See you in the next one.